Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This nutrition series is all about popular diet trends for 2019. Happy New Year. So this video is all about intermittent fasting. It comes in second place to the ketogenic diet. I have a video on that I will repost and add to this series, but this video I wanted to talk about IF, or intermittent fasting. So they say that this isn't so much a diet, but a diet pattern. And so the goal here is to eat within an 8-hour window. So you're going to eat, let's say, from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. or 12 noon to 8 p.m. and skip breakfast. So again, it's this 8-hour window where you consume all of your calories for the day. Or it could be even stricter, where you could do on a day, off a day. So over 24 hours you eat, and then the next day you don't over the next 24 hours. I would be very hangry. But I am curious if you guys are watching who do this pattern of eating, how successful it's been, what it's helped you with, and what types of things you're eating. As I did some research, it's more or less, there's different meal plans, if you will, with what to eat and things like that. But again, it's not a diet per se, where don't eat this, don't eat that, make sure you eat this, yada yada. It's more just making sure you stay within that 8-hour window, or even up to those 24 hours day on and off of eating. So again, I can't say definitely no to this diet, because it's not saying to omit anything. But for me personally, I need to eat every 2 to 3 hours, snacking all the time. And I think with exercise, pre and post workout fuel is critical to power through those workouts and then refuel your body. But if you're timing it within those windows, you should be okay. And with people and how they work, I know that there are days that my husband pretty much won't even eat, but I make sure that I pack him lunch and he brings it home empty. But people do get so busy, so maybe you are only eating within an 8-hour window and you're not even realizing. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base on this diet pattern and hear your thoughts. I encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and definitely comment below and say hi. Let me know of different nutrition topics you want to hear about as well. And quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching.